We know that the values of trigonometric functions for larger angles can be found using the formulae of trigonometric functions for the sum and difference of two angles. For example, the values of trigonometric functions for an angle of 120 degrees can be found by rewriting 120 degrees as sum or difference of known angles, for instance, 30 plus 90, 60 plus 60, or 180 minus 60. But writing values as sum and difference every time and using these formulae is a bit tedious. Can you think of another way to achieve this? Yes, there is a smart way of writing it as twice an angle or a double angle. For instance, 120 can be written as 2 times 60. Let's derive the formulae for double angles and apply them to solve some problems. Let's derive the double angle formulae for sine function. There are two double angle relations for sine function. Prove that sine 2a equals 2 sine a cos a. Recall that sine a plus b equals sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Next, replace b with a in this relation. On simplification, we get sine 2a equals 2 sine a cos a. Let's derive the double angle formulae for cosine function. The double angle relations for cosine function can be expressed in terms of sine and cosine, only sine and tangent form. Let's check the derivation. Prove that cos 2a equals cos squared a minus sine squared a, or 2 cos squared a minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Recall that cos a plus b equals cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Since we want cos 2a on left side, so replace b with a in the equation 1. On simplification, we get cos 2a equals cos squared a minus sine squared a. Next, rewrite sine squared a as 1 minus cos squared a using the standard trigonometric identity. On simplification, we get cos 2a equals 2 cos squared a minus 1. Also, cos squared a can be written as 1 minus sine squared a using the standard trigonometric identity. On simplification, we get cos 2a equals 1 minus 2 sine squared a, hence proved. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 times sine squared x multiplied by cos squared x. On the LHS, rewrite the angle 4x as 2 times 2x and then apply the rule of cos 2a. Apply the rule of sine 2 times a, and on simplification we get the result.